Hello shoppers, it's Amy and I'm so excited to show you guys how I have been doing my nails lately from my kitchen. You can really get a great manicure anywhere. You can do it yourself. Believe me, I'm someone who has always been so bad at doing nails until I found Modelones, and I found that even I can do this at home and they still look great. They look amazing. I've actually been using this brand since way before we decided to collaborate on a video, so I can tell you that, you know, I've used them for over a year. They're fantastic. This is their at-home gel manicure set, so I'll show you how all of that works. It is so cool. This is a UV light, you guys, and it's super cute. So I'll go into all of that, but also I just wanted to say, like I said, I've been using them for over a year. I've used their powder dip kits. Now I'm using their gel kits. They're just a really fantastic quality product that is so cute, so easy, so affordable, so convenient. And it's something that even if you think, if you're like me, every time I do my nails, it looks like a kindergartner is coloring outside of the lines. It looks horrible. It's so hard to do. It ends up being a mess. I can tell you this stuff is so easy. Their instructions are really clear. I will give you some tips in this video, but it's really, really easy. And believe me, you can do it on your own. You can do it at home and you will save so much time and so much money. And you might even find, like I have, that it's really, really fun. So let's talk about this kit. First of all, it's really cute. It comes in this cute little carrying case. So you guys, perfect gift, perfect size stocking stuffer. Just really, really good for that. And I want to show you everything that comes with it. So you get kind of your guide, and this is going to tell you step-by-step process, what to do. Don't be overwhelmed, it's really easy. But just so you know, they don't leave you hanging. They give you really clear instructions on everything. So these two, the gold and silver right here, are going to be your base coat. So this is what you put on first, and then your top coat. This is gonna lock it in. So these two are, you know, really important. Use this one first, use this one last. Easy enough. These are super sleek and cute too. So these are the colors that you get, and you'll notice on Amazon and follow the links that they have a lot more than this, but I love this palette. Super versatile, super great. Check out these colors. So you kind of have three really great neutrals, really pretty. The middle color I have on my nails right here, so you can see what that looks like. Super cute, right? Kind of a lighter one and kind of more of a blush pink. Great neutrals, great for any season. Just really, really natural and pretty looking. I love, love, love and live in these colors. Also, you get these. So I wanted to kind of show you guys a few other colors. So I just got whimsical and did this dark plum color on my thumb just to show you. This color in particular I found is really, really buildable. So if you, you'll find you're gonna wanna do between 1 and 3 coats of whatever color you do. So you do your base coat, 1 to 3 of these, and then your top coat. So this, if you just do, you know, 1 or 2, it's almost like a really plum purpley. I did darker, like more coats, so you can kind of tell, you guys, like it builds and it gets to be this really, really dark, rich, pretty color. Really great for fall, really great if you're going for those kind of like vampy vibes. So definitely buildable. These colors too, so you have your kind of classic scarlet, red, burgundy color, super sexy. And then this pink is just super cute. I have it on my toes. I will show you guys that on screen too. Just really cute, good for summer. I think this is one of those colors that's like universally flattering on every skin tone. So it's just really, really great to have too. So beautiful colors, so many great palettes. So you can totally see they just are super pretty. Something that you can kind of mix and match. They all kind of go together, kind of look good. And like I said, buildable, so you kind of have some versatility in that. You can go from, you know, your kind of, if you just do one shade, a little bit lighter, really build it and get dark on there, but they're super pretty. I'll show you, you can tell that this is a gel polish because it's really, really thick. So my tips definitely, you guys, are do the thinnest layer possible because it's gonna help it dry faster. You're gonna get a more even coat, and you're gonna have just less room for error. So what I like to do is make sure that I really, really get, like, especially all of this, you see how it's kind of clumpy up on here? I try to really get all of that off before I do a coat. And that just helps the whole process go a lot smoother. So when you get it, just do the thinnest coat possible and you're gonna have a ton of great success. It's gonna look great. So what else you get in this kit, besides just all of the polishes and the base and the top coat, so you get everything that you need. You also get a nail brush, 2 perfectly sized nail files, which I will talk about that too. Not only you're gonna wanna really make sure that you get all of your like cuticles, all the stuff around your nails, and you really have those all filed off. Before you do your base coat, you're gonna wanna go in and kind of scuff up your nails a little bit. They do that at the salon. You probably maybe don't notice it or you're not paying attention. That's a step that I always kind of missed. And when I've done gel and even powder dip at home before, I kind of missed that myself. When you have your slick, natural, kind of virgin nail on there, the gel might not last as long. I've had these done for a week. They last perfect. You're gonna have, you know, manicures that last a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Really, my problem is my nails grow out before the manicure even starts chipping. So you're gonna want to file all around your nail. It doesn't have to be anything too dramatic, but definitely scuff up your nail a little bit, give it a little bit of texture and a little bit of grit so that gel polish really stays on there. So that's when I give you a couple of these good files. You are also going to get, here's the other file, a cuticle pusher clipper, awesome tool here. Cuticle gel. You just, once you're done with your manicure, you will put this right on your cuticles. I like to rub it in. You guys, it works so well. It feels really, really nice and luxurious, and it makes your nails just really pop and look great and keeps your cuticles and, you know, the skin around your nails really healthy. It's amazing. Love, love, love this. I have another one that I keep next to my bathroom sink and use it all the time. This is fabulous, fabulous. So cool that they have it in here. And you're going to get these stickers that you can use in your manicures. What I do is I put them on after my last coat of color polish is dry. Then I put the stickers on and kind of press them down for a minute and then go back in and do your top coat on top of that and set it with your UV light. I have this plugged in over here. It is like a USB, so you can just plug it into a USB port, plug it into your laptop, plug it into, you know, an outlet. And how cute is this? It's like a little tiny, tiny version. And you can tell you've got your UV light right there. You're gonna wanna make sure you don't stare directly into that or anything, but it's a pretty good size. And you're able to get your feet or your nails. If you, sometimes I find it's hard to get all of your nails and your thumb at the same time, but you can lift it up like this or put it somewhere and kind of get completely under there. Tip I found that works really well for me. I think this lasts for about like 40 seconds. I find, you know, it depends on your environment, the humidity where you live, all that kind of stuff. So it's not an exact science. You're definitely gonna wanna play around with it. Basically the biggest thing is run this until that coat of polish on your nails is really good and dry, and then you can move on to the next one without it being sticky or messing up or you know, anything like that. So biggest thing is just be patient with it, make sure you're nice and dry, move on to the next step. And this, it's just, if you follow the instructions, it's really foolproof, and you are going to have amazing manicures at home in beautiful colors in this really cute set. I absolutely love Modelones, you guys. I cannot recommend them enough. Definitely check them out. You're gonna be so happy you did. You are gonna find, you know, that just doing your nails is a lot of fun when you have the right tools, and Modelones makes it easy to have the right tools. You're gonna save a ton of money, a ton of time, and have a ton of fun.